Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add to cart on DHgate. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to dhgate.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. Now, when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile, or guys, if you don't have one, you can always go and register to DHgate. But if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of videos where you can see how you can do that. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So first of all, we have the search bar as you can see and all of the categories on the website. In the top right corner, we have all your profile and everything about your profile. We have the recently viewed, we have your favorites, and the shopping cart at the end. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add to cart on DHgate. It is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it. First of all, you need to go to the search bar and type anything that you would like to go and put it to your cart. For instance, I will go with shoes. Then what you need to do is guys, go and click on some of the for instance, shoes that you would like. And you need to go and pick up the size which you would like of the shoes. And then just need to click on this button here, which is of course when you put everything, the color, size, you can click on add to cart. And then guys, I didn't put a color, sorry. Then you can go and click add to cart and the item is successfully added to my cart. As you can see, I can then go and refresh and see that the item is in my cart, as you can see. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this channel. Bye guys.